Question number 33 in your classwork for analytic geometry asks you to find two possible locations for P that divides the segment JK into two parts with a ratio of 3, 4. And so JK has coordinates, so J is 11, 11 over here, and K is at -10, -10 over here. So we have roughly this line segment with a slope of 1. It'll also go through the origin because it just works out nice and symmetric like that. So in order to partition this, so one scenario that we can have a partition where we break up this segment into a ratio of 3 here and 4 over here. So we'll try to solve for that one first. So our absolute change in x here between k and j is given by 11 minus -10, so that'll be 21. So 21 is equal to our 3k plus our 4k in the x direction. And in the y direction, we have an absolute change of y given by 11 minus -10, so that'll also be 21. So 21 is equal to 3, and in the y, I'll choose a different variable, so let's say m, so 3m plus 4m. So we have that 21 is equal to 7k, so k is equal to 3, and 21 is equal to 7m, so m is equal to 3 as well. So in order to find the length of this, or the x-coordinate of our partition, and when we choose that we want to partition 3 from k, so this will be this value, so that'll be 3 times the value of k that we found, so that'll be 9. So extending from k, so we travel a distance of 9 in the x direction. So from k, that'll get us to -1, because since k was coordinate -10, -10, so just adding 9 will bring us to -1. So possible P1 is given by -1, and in the y will also come a distance of this value from k, so that's 3 times m, which is 3 times 3, which is also 9. So we add 9 to our y value for k, which is -10 plus 9, which will also be -1. So we have one solution. Now our other solution comes from when we partition this in another way. So let's redraw our figure here. So now we can say that we want to come a length of 4 from k and leave 3 over here to j. So now we still have the same ratios. So the only thing that changes is that now from k, -10, -10, we're looking at this segment. So now the length in x that we come from the point k will be given by 4 times k, which is 12. So we add 12 to the value of our x of k, so that'll be -10 plus 12, which is 2. And same thing for the y, so we add this value to the y value of k, which is 4 times m, which is 4 times 3, which is also 12. So we add 12 to -10, which also give us 2. So these are our two possible points.